Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to log into a Spectrum Internet account. Spectrum is a trading name of Charter Communications used to the market consumer and commercial cable television, internet telephone, and wireless service provided by the company. You can log into your Spectrum account on your mobile web browser as well. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna open a web browser on my desktop. Simply click open any web browser you want, and in the URL box type in www.spectrum.net. Press the enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, you'll end up on the official website of the Spectrum. This is how it looks like. Now, in order to sign in, you can see a sign in box on the right side of the screen. If you don't have an account yet, you can create a new account by clicking on a create a username and follow the instructions to register yourself first. Once you have an account, you can easily log in by entering your credentials in the first text field. Enter your username correct. To make sure to enter a valid username in order to log and move on to the next text field, and type in the password. If you want to double check your password, then click on this eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password and double check before moving on. If you're using a public device or a shared device, make sure to turn this box off now to confirm that you are not a robot. By clicking on this box that says I'm not a robot, and in case you've forgotten your password or your username, then you can click on this forgot password or username link at the bottom, and follow the instructions. Doing this will help you look for your username and reset your password for your account. Finally, click on the sign in button after you have all the credentials needed, and just like that, you'll be logged into your Spectrum Internet account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.